Hi, buddies! It's me, TT. Today we are celebrating the 4th of July, so we are going to make a patriotic and delicious watermelon pizza that's red, white, and blue. Wow, that looks delicious! Such a fun, colorful treat. Before we get started, remember that TT wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out in the kitchen. Well, let's get started on our watermelon pizza. Here I have some watermelon sliced right down the middle to make a big circle. Definitely have a grown-up give you a hand with this part, since slicing watermelon can be a little bit tricky. What I've also done is cut off the green part that goes around the sides, the green rind. So all you have left is the red in the middle and the white around the outside. So to start, take your slice of watermelon and now take some spreadable cream cheese. Here I have a shallot and chive herb cream cheese that's really, really yummy. You can also use plain cream cheese, ricotta cheese, or even Greek yogurt if you prefer that. This is going to be the topping of our pizza. Take your cheese and spread it around. I know it might seem silly to be putting cream cheese on a watermelon, but just trust me on this, that it'll all taste good in the end. Looks good so far. Now let's take some blueberries to be the blue topping on our watermelon pizza. Just scatter the blueberries on top. You could put as many or as few as you like. Blueberries are one of my favorite fruits. Do you have a favorite fruit? Terrific! Next up, let's do some strawberries to add a little bit more red to our red, white, and blue pizza. This looks like summertime to me. Looking great! I'm gonna make one more pizza today using the exact same strategy that I used for this pizza. To start out, I'll spread my cream cheese on the watermelon slice. Now I'll take some blueberries and I'll decorate the top. But this time, I'm gonna do a little bit different design. I am going to make a big happy face. And I'll use the strawberries to make a nose and some hair. This pizza looks so silly. And there we go, our happy face pizza's all done. Wow, don't these watermelon pizzas look amazing? Yeah, let's give it a try and see how they taste. I've got a nice little pizza slice here. Here goes. Extra good! The watermelon just tastes like sunshine to me. It's so fruity and sweet and delicious. And the herb cream cheese on top is a little bit unexpected, but it goes really well together. And I love strawberries and blueberries, so you know this is the perfect watermelon pizza. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a ton of fun making these watermelon patriotic pizzas, and I hope you will have fun making them too. You can make them red, white, and blue like this for the 4th of July, or for any time during the summer for a fun treat. Have a happy 4th of July, everybody. I'll see you again soon. And happy creating!